Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of WoDaddy Creates. And today we are going to be making something three-dimensional and full of light. And it is super fun. Let's go ahead and see some finished products that we have here. We have some really cool spinning paper lantern with a nice little light inside, which you'll get to see when we put it together. It's kid friendly, it's adult friendly, I guess you could say it's people friendly, probably not dog friendly, but they might like it, you never know. So we're gonna step into the creation station and put one of these things together, so let's check it out. All right, so here we are back in the creation station with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10-inch strips of paper. And you could make them any size you want. If you wanted them to be longer, maybe a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit thinner. And what we've done is we've poked holes near both of the ends. So you want to think about how do you want to arrange them. So I'm going to start with I'm going to do light section. I'm going to do yellow, orange, pink, green, purple, and then we'll go yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. Okay, and then that's going to be our pattern throughout our lantern. On the other ones I had, one was random and one was light to dark. So what I have is sort of light to dark, including pink, light to dark, including blue, like a rainbow. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stack them all back together and put these so that the hole is lined up. And we're going to start with a paper fastener and go ahead and put that through our hole. So there we go, we have our paper fastener. And on the end where the bendable fastener part is sticking out, we are going to insert a little souffle cup. I guess you could make something of this size, and we have a hole in it. So boom, there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and close our fastener down on that. Okay, kind of get it to fit. And that is going to allow us to fan out our design. And you want to make sure that you spread it out so that all 10 pieces are incorporated into the design. And I like to try to get them in order because when they're fastened together, they can overlap each other, and then you end up with a nice lantern still, but you get sort of a tangled sort of look to it. So let's see, if we got 10, we're gonna have maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So something like that is really good spacing right there. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring them all together, and we have another paper fastener that we're gonna go ahead and clip to the other end. Now, when you finish, you're gonna have this wonderful tea light that you wanna put inside your lantern. So I'm gonna go ahead and light it up and put it right on in there. And where did we start? We started with a yellow, orange, pink. So that's where I'll start over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the paper fastener through the first one, and then the second one, strange. Aha, so I see something we did here. The yellow is out of order. So that is entirely the reason why we do the arrangement first. So yellow, orange, pink, green, purple, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. All right, so now we have them all attached. So on the inside here, I'm gonna go ahead and get that paper fastener kind of tilted back up. And we're gonna adjust our camera slightly here. We can see a little bit better. All right, you can see we've got this wonderful 3D ball formed here. And now we have our lovely shape. And so the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to take this string. It seems like I've already tied a little knot in it. I'll pull that out. All right, and we want to tie it so that it'll go around the paper fastener. I'm just going to loosen that hole to make it big enough to fit right inside of there in the top. And oops, tightened it too quickly, so we'll do that again. This is one of those things where I love to draw and do details and all sorts of things like that, but the fine motor stuff, that's where I want to hire a fine motor expert. And just keep on practicing when I have to do it on my own. So, not my strongest skill set. Yay, we got it in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten that up, just like that. And then you can decide, are you gonna hang it on a stick? Are you gonna carry it in your hand? You're gonna add a handle? You're gonna hang it outside or inside somewhere? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a simple knot at the top by attaching a double slip. And the trick to attaching a double slip is you hold all four sides, and there you go. So now we have a lovely hanging paper lantern, full of light, full of color, adjustable. You can turn your colors to open it up. You can do something where you have it like half and half, like you can have it open on two sides and have your colors a lot closer together. So you can really think about how you want that, what sort of colors you can use, and all the fun possibilities. So I hope you enjoyed our awesome paper lantern, and I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and most importantly, leave suggestions in the comments. Goodbye, everyone.